Hey guys, it's your girl Bomb Nia and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash and blow dry my daughter's hair. Right now I'm just taking out these braids that she only had in for a week. Yes, a week. She has a hard time keeping a scarf on her damn head. So I'm using this wide tooth comb to make sure she doesn't have any knot balls because I don't want her hair to knot up while I'm washing it. It's a horrible sight. I'm combing from the bottom first and working my way up, which is an easier method to do and less crying. Now I'm going in with this black Jamaican castor oil conditioner. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to part her hair in four, and I'm going to add this conditioner and finger comb her hair. My mom taught me this method, and when I say it makes wash day so easy, I should have been doing this. Now I'm just twisting her hair, and I'm going to add a plastic cap, and I'm going to leave that conditioner in her hair for 40 minutes. Now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner after I let it sit for 40 minutes, and I'm going to be using the Cantu avocado oil and shea butter hydrating shampoo. This stuff is so bomb, y'all. I even use it on my hair. Not only does it clean your hair, it keeps it nice and soft, and it smells amazing. Now I'm adding that Jamaican castor oil conditioner again, and I'm going to be just finger combing it through to make sure there is no knots and to make sure it reaches every part of her hair. Look at them curls, y'all. Ain't she cute? She thinks so too. Now I'm parting her hair in four again. I'm going to be adding Garnier's Flat Iron Protector Spray because I will be using the blow dryer on her hair on high heat, and I just want to protect her hair from getting burnt. Now, y'all, this blow dryer I got off Amazon is so bomb and a freaking lifesaver. It's a blow dryer and a comb and brush all in one. I wish they had things like this when I was her age because the process would have been so much easier for my mom. I know she hated wash day. Just look how this blow dryer just glides through her hair without getting stuck, which was the problems I used to have with her hair and mine when trying to use a blow dryer and a comb at the same time. It is so annoying. This was the outcome, y'all. I'm so gassed. Like, if y'all are interested in this brush, check out my description box below for the link. Now I'm going to add some olive oil lotion to bring back moisture to her hair. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum to add shine and take away the frizziness from her hair. Now I'm parting her hair in two, and I'm giving her two basic ponytails, which is her favorite hairstyle, by the way. Sis is really feeling herself right now. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And most importantly, stay bomb.